Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to hard reset the Redmi A5. Now to do that, first of all, just power off your smartphone. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button of your smartphone. Now from here, as you can see, the power menu has appeared on the screen. Just select power off. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to completely power off. Now, after that, just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now, just do that until the Xiaomi logo appears on the screen. Then release the power button and press and hold the volume up button. Now, as you can see, the recovery mode has appeared on the screen. Now, from here, just press the volume down button to navigate this screen. Just like that. Just press the volume down button until you select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Now from here, just press the power button to confirm Wipe Data Factory Reset. Now just press the volume down button to select Factory Data Reset. Now just press the power button to confirm Factory Data Reset. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to wipe all the data. And once that happens, just press the power button to confirm Reboot System Now. From here, just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to complete the reboot process and to wipe all the data on your smartphone. Now, as you can see, this is how you can hard reset the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.